ते मित्रांनो, आजचा आपला जॉमेट्रीचा पिरियड आहे. आज दिनांक 1/10/2020. आपलं सर्कल चॅप्टर सुरू आहे. तर यातला महत्त्वाचा पॉईंट म्हणजे इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल. सपोज कन्सिडर सर्कल हॅविंग द सेंटर सी इज द सेंटर ऑफ अ सर्कल. देन वर्टेक्स डी ऑफ अँगल PDQ लाईज ऑन द सर्कल. म्हणजे हा जो अँगल आहे अँगल PDQ याची एक वर्टेक्स कुठे आहे? इट इज ऑन द सर्कल. द आर्म्स ऑफ अँगल PDQ दॅट इज आर्म PD अँड आर्म DQ intersect the circle at point A and B. These are intersect the circle at point A and B such that such angle is called as a inscribed angle in the circle or in the arc. See, what are the conditions? Center of a circle is C. Vertex of an angle is on the circle. म्हणजे अँगलची जी व्हर्टेक्स आहे ती कुठं आहे? सर्कलवर आहे. आणि अँगलचे आर्म्स आर्म PD अँड आर्म DQ दे इंटरसेक्ट द सर्कल ॲट टू डिफरंट पॉईंट्स A अँड B. देन वी से दॅट अँगल PDQ इज inscribed in the arc PDQ. See, angle PDQ is inscribed in the arc PDQ and intersected by an arc AXB. Intersected by an arc AXB. Okay, what we can say? Angle PDQ is inscribed in the arc PDQ and intercepted by an arc AXB. Okay, this is the main definition of an inscribed angle. What are the conditions? Vertex of an angle should be on the circle and arms of the angle should intersect the circle at two different points. This is the main condition of a inscribed angle. If we have such figures such as, see, if this, it is also an inscribed angle, but if the angle is like this, that is vertex does not lies on the circle, then it is not inscribed angle. Or otherwise, if this happens, then also it is not inscribed angle. This is also not an inscribed angle. Again, if this happens, one is tangent, another is like this, then it is also not inscribed angle. For inscribed angle, it is necessary, or see, or if like this condition, two tangents from outside the point of the circle, it is also not inscribed angle. For inscribed angle, vertex of an angle must lie on the circle. Must lie on the circle. This may happen. This. But these both are tangents. It is not an inscribed angle. But if this will happen, then it is the inscribed angle. Okay, this is the condition of inscribed angle. This is not the condition of inscribed angle because vertex is inside the circle. This is also not the condition of inscribed angle because vertex is outside the circle. Here also vertex is outside. Vertex is outside. Vertex should be on the circle, then and then only the theorem of inscribed angle is done. Otherwise not. Now we will see the main important result of an inscribed angle. See what is the result. The measure of an inscribed angle is half the measure of an intercepted arc. See, This is angle, inscribed angle, angle BAC, angle BAC. Measure of its angle is x. This BPC, arc BPC. Then what we say that angle BAC is inscribed in the arc BAC, and arc BPC is intercepted by the angle. Okay, what we can say, angle BAC is inscribed in the arc BAC. This is main, in the arc BAC, and arc BPC is intercepted by the angle, and the arc BPC is intercepted by the angle. Then what we have theorem? The statement of theorem is the measure of an inscribed angle is half the measure of the arc intercepted by it. The measure of an inscribed angle is half of the measure of the arc intercepted by it. See, what is the meaning of this? Measure of an inscribed angle means what we say, that angle BAC is inscribed in the arc BAC, means this is angle BAC is this is an inscribed angle, and intercepted arc is BPC. Means if the measure of angle BAC is equal to x, then measure of arc BPC should be double of it, that is it should be 2x. What we have theorem, that is measure of angle BAC is equal to 1/2 measure of arc BPC. Okay, it is very important theorem. The proof is not important, but theorem is important for solving the problem. The measure of an inscribed angle is half the measure of the arc intercepted by it. म्हणजे हा जो आर्क आहे, ह्या आर्कचं मेजरमेंट हे ह्या अँगलच्या मेजरमेंटच्या कसं असतं, डबल असतं. आणि सेंट्रल अँगलचं तर तुम्हाला माहितीच आहे. हा समजा सेंटर सी असेल आणि हा सेंट्रल अँगल असेल, मग काय आहे आपल्याकडे, सेंटर सी ओ म्हणूया आपण, सेंटर ओ. देन मेजर ऑफ अँगल BOC इज इक्वल टू मेजर ऑफ आर्क, करस्पॉन्डिंग आर्क बरोबर आहे BPC. मेजर ऑफ अँगल BOC इज इक्वल टू मेजर ऑफ आर्क BPC. From this we can also say that measure of angle BAC is equal to 1/2 measure of angle BOC. कशावरून घेतला आपण हे, ह्या inscribed अँगलच्या थेरमवरून, फ्रॉम द थेरम ऑफ an inscribed angle. Okay, see, we will see the one important result. Angles inscribed in the same arc are congruent. Means see in the figure, this angle PQR is inscribed in the arc PQR. Again, angle PSR is also inscribed in the arc PQR also. PQR means PSR, both are the same. From this, both these angles are congruent, means they intercepted this angle. Arc PTR is intercepted by these angles. That is, we can say that from inscribed angle theorem, measure of angle PQR is equal to 1/2 measure of arc. Which arc? This arc PTR. measure of arc PTR. कशावरून घेतला आपण हे? फ्रॉम इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल थेरम. सिमिलरली we can also write that measure of angle PSR is equal to 1/2 measure of arc PTR. Both these results are from by inscribed angle theorem. From this we can write this. Now see the LHS and RHS of both these two equations. RHS is same, therefore we can write measure of angle PQR is equal to measure of angle PSR. That is, if the angles are inscribed in the same arc, then their measurement is same. This is the one of the most important result for solving the problem. Okay, remaining part will be take later on.